message to the future aspirants for JEE is that JEE is definitely easy. Hi, I am Anshul Tomar and I am a student of 4-year classroom program from FIIT Mumbai Chembur Center, and I had appeared for JEE Advanced 2017 recently. I had cleared the INJSO in my 10th standard and INMO in my 11th standard. I had cleared NSCP in my 11th standard and I am a NTSC and KVPY scholar. During the preparation of JEE, I faced some challenges. One of them was that I had not done chemistry in my 11th standard and I had to do it in 12th standard. The second one of them was that I had not got the correct temperament and appetite for writing a full-length test, which was corrected by giving various AITs. Also, there were some certain topics in all the subjects which I used to face difficulty and usually always used to leave those questions. But after giving those AITs, now I was confident for appearing for JEE Advanced. I had started preparation for JEE somewhere between 10th and 11th standard, but I had taken foundation courses from FIIT from 9th standard itself. Hurry during the last period of JEE, that is those 2-3 months, is not recommended by me. I used to study 6 to 8 hours every day and that was sufficient. Time management is also a special ingredient. You need to improve your maths so that you can do it in the JEE Advanced paper in 1 hour and chemistry paper in half an hour, so that you get the appropriate time for revising all the other questions. Time management is also necessary. I think combination of smart work and hard work is very important for JEE preparation. I never used to take stress during my preparation, and whenever I was not able to solve any question, I used to go to the next question without having any bad thoughts or ill thoughts about the previous question. I had interest in physics and maths from my early years only, but FIIT had created a spark and it had turned into a passion, physics and maths. FIIT helped in building those time management concepts. The chemistry faculty at FIIT was good, means the parts which I required, that is inorganic chemistry, I required the most. It was provided to me, and the physics teachers were also very good, and in 11th standard only my full syllabus had been completed. The teaching mechanism at FIIT is good. They have divided the syllabus into various phases, and after every phase there is a test which helps me recognize where I am standing. Also, the revision classes, means the classes which are intended for those, were good, very good. The teachers had consulted me to do some books which were not the FIIT packages, but they were also exhaustive. I had enrolled for the 4-year classroom program, and it was divided into 2 phases. One was the 9th and 10th standard and the other was 11th and 12th standard. They had created an access batch in the 9th and 10th standard which covered topics from 11th and 12th standard so that we could grasp them easily in our 11th and 12th standard. And in the 11th and 12th standard we were introduced to various AITS tests, the programs which used to tell our ranks, predict our ranks, and those all helped me in my JEE preparation. I had completed my physics course in 11th standard itself, and the chemistry, the inorganic parts were covered by my chemistry teachers in the last part of my preparation. Maths sir used to give me very good problems in maths, some high level problems, and all of these probably helped me to gain confidence for my JEE Advanced examination. In my 9th and 10th standard, my maths teacher had motivated me to take up the RMO exam, and he prepared me well enough that I could clear it in my 9th standard only. My physics and chemistry teachers, the knowledge they gave me, it helped me to crack the JSO exam. The teachers were very good from the very beginning, that is from 9th standard itself. My message to the future aspirants for JEE is that JEE is definitely easy, but it is easy only if you are dedicative, you are honest to your studies, you complete each and everything on time that is given by your teachers. Also, never lose hope. If someone is doing better than you, work hard on yourself and make yourself better than him. This will surely improve your rank in JEE. I am thankful.
I'm grateful.
I'm grateful.
I am thankful and grateful to my parents, my friends, my gurus, and the systems at FIITJEE.